Hi and welcome to Casual DIY channel. In today's episode we'll be making some wooden bracelet. Stay tuned. So as you know, I absolutely hate any waste in my workshop. It's only so much wood I can afford. So I always try to use all the offcuts I get from my jobs, and here I've got some offcuts from ash and walnut. So let's head into the project. These offcuts come from a last project I had, and they actually been run through a jointer, hence I don't have to do it now, and I'm actually certain the faces are flat and I can now glue them together, as you can see. If you've got offcuts that are, well, the faces are not straight or uneven, I do suggest running them through a jointer so you're gonna have a nice strong connection. The rough dimensions at the minute of the offcuts are 8.5 centimeters by 13.5 centimeters, and that is the smallest one with a thickness of 2 centimeters. Before we continue with the project, I just want to say, if you are enjoying this particular video, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so yet, as I do bring content each week, and your support helps me out bringing that content basically. And if you enjoyed this particular video, leave me that like button below. But let's carry on with the project. Right then, so as you can see, the bracelet is fully ready for some resin action. First of all, part A, I'm gonna leave in hot warm water for a few minutes. Hopefully it will be a little bit easier to mix and will give us better results with less air bubbles. As you see, my scales were actually not working, so I just used the scales that were on the plastic container. Right, so we've got our bracelet and it's now time to actually sand it down so the epoxy will look absolutely awesome and transparent. For that, I'm going to be using 320 grit to start with on my orbital sander. We're going to go to 320, 400. After that, we're going to do some wet sanding. I've got 1000, 1500 and 2000 sponges. And after that, for the final touches, we've got 2500 grit and 3000. Okay, so after hours and hours of sanding, finishing with 3500 grit, this is the result that we've got. At the minute, obviously, as you can see, it's not clear and transparent. But what we're going to do now, we're going to use some Danish oil Hampshire sheen to actually get the best out of the wood. We're going to use a total of 2 coats, and after that we'll be buffing this bracelet to an absolutely stunning look. So let's apply the finish. And there you go, guys. It came out really nice. I really like the colors that the oil actually gave to this bracelet. It looks really nice. But now it's actually time to buff it out. So to bring the nice shine to the bracelet, I'm going to be using this buff-on compound. Hopefully it would work really nice. I'm just gonna apply it to the bracelet, really thick, nice. I'm gonna wipe the excess off. We're gonna leave it for about 30 seconds, and after that we'll buff it on the buffing wheel. So as you can see, it's a very interesting project, a lucky bracelet for, well, for any occasion really, for somebody that you love. Absolutely awesome project, and you actually don't need a lathe to make it. And as you can see, it looks really cool. As you probably already noticed, I've still got 3 bracelets left from this project. I'm going to be finishing them in different ways, in different interesting designs. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and you press that bell notification button, that when my videos come available, you will be notified about it and you won't miss a thing. But these 3 will come in the next 3 weeks. But for now, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've got any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, leave me that thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Take care. Bye.